In this video, we'll be showing you how to put tissue paper in a gift bag. The first step is to take your present and wrap it with the tissue paper. There is no certain way this needs to be done. The biggest thing is you just want to make sure the present is completely covered up by the wrapping paper, so someone who looks down inside the bag won't be able to tell what it is based off the first glance. With the gift wrapped, we're going to go ahead and drop that into our bag. Now the next step is to begin filling the bag with tissue paper to make it look presentable and to better hide the present. You'll want to lay out a sheet of tissue paper and then grab the very center of it. When grabbing the center, then make a circle with your other hand and pull the tissue paper through almost like a funnel. This is going to give the tissue paper the shape that we're looking for in order to fill the bag. Depending on the size of the bag, you may need to do this a few times in order to get the right look that you are going after. Since this is a smaller bag, we're only going to be using 3 sheets of tissue paper. And once the sheets are ready, then we'll go ahead and stuff it into the bag. And that is how you fill a gift bag with tissue paper. Thanks for watching.